This is from Aunt Ashley and Uncle Tony.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Need help with that ribbon, huh? Mark, can you help her with that ribbon? All right, go ahead, Brooker.
So this is from Tampy?
Oh, wow. What's the coloring book? Is that a coloring book? Let me see the DVD. Wow, an Adore DVD. And you don't have that one. Cool.
Brooke, you can watch the Adore DVD on our way down to Florida.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Who's that from? Who's it from?
I'm from
Uncle Tony
Tony
and
Heather.
Ashley. Uncle Tony and Aunt Ashley. Okay, that one's for Caleb.
I'll help him open it. Mommy, I'll help him.
Okay, you help him.
Okay,
That's Caleb's present.
Okay, I'm helping him.
Okay.
Caleb needs help.
Pull. What is it?
Clothes for him.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
Now I can open
You know, he
this.
totally does not have a winter jacket,
Mommy, now
so
I can
that's
open this.
awesome.
Mommy, now I can open
Okay,
it.
hold on.
It's 69.4 degrees.
Rookaroo, who's it from? Say thank you, Uncle Tony and Aunt Ashley.
Thank you, Uncle Tony and Ashley.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my God.